In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Uber Eats driver support. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in the app, how to reach a real person when you need it, and how to use the online help center to resolve issues quickly. Start by opening the Uber Eats app. From the main screen, tap your profile icon to open your account menu, then select Help. This is the dedicated support area for drivers and couriers. You'll see categories that cover the most common needs like delivery problems, account issues, payments, background checks, and app troubleshooting. Choose the topic that best matches what you're experiencing. Inside each category, you'll find guidance tailored to that issue. If the suggested articles don't fully address it, you can continue through to contact options. When you describe your issue, be specific and clear. Include key details such as the order's time, what went wrong, and what resolution you're looking for. The more precise you are, the faster support can help. If the app offers prompts or checklists within a topic, follow them. They're designed to route your request to the right team. Depending on your location, Uber may provide multiple ways to contact support. In many areas, you'll see in-app live chat, phone support, or message support. If you're on an active delivery, you may also have priority support. To use that, open your current delivery, tap Help right from the order screen, and connect with support there. This route is best when timing matters, like if a restaurant is closed, an address isn't accessible, or there's an urgent app error. Keep your message short and factual, and have the order details ready so the agent can verify and assist quickly. You can also get help outside the app by visiting the Uber Help Center in your web browser. There you'll find articles, step-by-step guides, and account tools. You can submit support tickets, track existing issues, read driver FAQs, and manage certain account settings. This is especially useful if you're troubleshooting from a computer or can't access the app. After submitting a request online, keep an eye on your app notifications and email for updates and respond promptly if support asks for more information. That's it. Use the help section in the app for quick, issue-specific assistance, contact chat or phone support when you need a human, and turn to the online help center for deeper resources and ticket tracking. With these options, you'll be equipped to resolve problems and get back on the road with confidence.